So, good evening, good evening, good evening. Good job that's locked in it. Bosh. Make sure you are smashing the likes up. We're back again. We're going to talk about Emil Smith Rowe, the Croydon De Bruyne, the number 10 at Arsenal. Not this level of number 10, but we're getting to that. Make sure you are smashing the likes up. Make sure you are subbing to the channel. Bless up to everyone who has nearly 101,000 now. I will have a video out on the other channel later as well. I'm going to record this, drop this video. I'm going out for dinner. When I'm back, and I will be back, we'll have a video out on the other channel as well. But big up to everyone who is locked in as well. I want to share this tweet because this needs breaking down, because these content creators, as I'm going to call them now, because this is what they are. They're not journalists. They're content creators and storytellers. Content creator David Ornstein, let's readjust that. Content creator David Ornstein. You have to read between the lines with this one, because he thinks he's smart, this guy. And because he speaks in very posh tones and takes long pauses between words. There are people think he's more intelligent and more in the know. Get out of it, man. So, exclusive. Fulham close to reaching agreement with Arsenal to sign Emil Smith Rowe. Talks over a move worth up to 35 million. Cool. That's the first bit we're going to break down. Worth up to 35 million. So working off of that, it's not 35 million then, is it? It's going to be something plus add-ons. So it's not 35 million. It's not like, yo, straight flat fee, 35, no add-ons, nothing. It's 35. No, it's worth up to 35. Would be a record recruit for Fulham and match Arsenal's biggest sale. Well, it wouldn't though, would it? And this is where you have to break down and read between the lines of these people. Yeah, because these people chat absolute crap, especially this one. Yeah, he is the biggest brown envelope, yeah, in the footballing world. Forget Fabrizio. This guy is on the payroll of Arsenal, Tottenham, Chelsea, to a lesser degree Chelsea, but he's still Man United, again to a lesser degree. The brown envelopes are strong with this one, trust me. So what he's doing here is making out that Arsenal are going to get 35 million and it would match Arsenal's biggest ever sale. Okay, the PR is strong for Super Duper Edu and Super Duper Mick. Oh my God, they've managed to get 35 million for Emil Smith Rowe. That's the biggest deal. It would match Arsenal's biggest ever sale. Okay, well, number one, that shows how crap we are at selling. And number two, it's worth up to. I guarantee that is around 28 million plus add-ons, which, let's be real, Fulham ain't achieving. So it's going to be about 28 mil, around 28 to 30 mil. Yeah, which therefore would not be Arsenal's biggest sale, would it? But no doubt, if I go through the comments, which I'm not going to bother doing, if I went through the comments on that, yeah, I guarantee, oh my God, what a great deal. Oh, 35 mil. But it's such a shame that he's leaving. Oh, he was such a good lad. Came through the academy. And this is what these fans do. Good luck, Emil. Good luck. It's a shame we couldn't get you in the team on a more regular basis. We want you to stay, Emil Smith Rowe. Yeah, these idiots did the same with Granit Xhaka, by the way. We want you to stay. We want you to stay. Granit Xhaka, we want you to stay. No, you don't. But you just want to look like the toppest of top gooner on the internet. I said last summer on this channel, get rid of him. And I'll find the video at some point later this evening if I get a chance. And I'm going to go and highlight all the comments in it. Because I guarantee it, and I've not done it, I've not checked it, but I will find the video. Yeah, because I'm petty. And I guarantee, what are you talking about? Get rid of Smith Rowe. Yeah, you're toxic. You're negative. Why do you want to get rid of Smith Rowe? Yeah, no, he's a top player. He's great. He's really good. Okay, so is Super Duper Mick and Super Duper Edu toxic now for getting rid of him? Because it looks like he's going to Fulham. So are they toxic for getting rid of him? Yeah. But again, these fans won't call out the crap that we did in the first place. How is this geezer wearing number 10? How is he wearing Bergkamp's shirt number? Why? Because it was part of the gimmick. It was part of the plan. It was part of the subtle, subconscious oh my God, he's come through the academy. He's going to be our star. Yeah, he's going to be our star. We'll give him the number 10. Yeah, because he's come through the academy, he won't get any abuse off the fan base. All part of the game, people. Wake up. Yeah, this football club has been run like a disgrace for too long. Eddie Nketiah running around, running around like a dog chasing a tennis ball in the park, wearing the King's number 14. But don't worry, he leaned on Chelsea's goal corner flag, and did this to an empty stadium when he scored a goal at the Bridge in lockdown, which ended up taking us from 4th to 5th, by the way, and Tottenham gazumped us. But what did Conte do at Spurs? Beat your manager to top 4 in his first season. Just saying. But this is the problem. Yeah, this is the problem. Yeah, too many happy clappers. Yeah, that just gas up everything, light up everything, hype up everything. Oh, Smith Rowe, number 10. We've got Saka and Emil Smith Rowe. Well, that song's going to have to change, isn't it? What are we going to do now? Yeah, a bit like the Tierney one. Tierney at the back, Gabby in attack. We're on our way to Champions League. They still sing that at the Emirates, by the way. And Tierney was on loan all last season. And this is why, I get the ump. How about just let players play and see what they can do? Instead of hyping them up to the moon, hyping them up into oblivion, and then when they finally flop a couple of years later, oh, but we want you to stay. No, you don't. Nobody wants Smith Rowe to stay. How many people do you know that said Arsenal's best 11? Yeah. Oh, what's Arsenal's best 11, lads? How many of them put Smith Rowe in it? How many? Oh, yeah, none. But they want him to stay. Why? Because he came through the academy. He's not good enough for Arsenal. Let's just be real with it. He ain't good enough for Arsenal. 30 mil, 35 mil, cool. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Fantastic. Well done. Super duper Mick and super duper Edu have done it again. Wasted 2 years. Yeah, wasted the number 10. And now what will happen is, once he does leave, which it looks like he's going to do, you know who's getting number 10 then, didn't you? Hair flick. And they can run, the Ozil comparisons will be run. The Bergkamp comparisons. The Norwegian Bergkamp. The Norwegian Ozil. He had the creative spark. And around and around and around we go again until in a couple of years' time when people finally realize this guy ain't it either. Yeah. And then he'll go, I don't know, maybe to fucking midget land or somewhere. In fact, hold on. I can see him on Gibraltar. Right, mate? You good? Yeah? You can fuck off as well, mate. Yeah? Div. Seriously, I'm sick to death of this football club, man. And people say, oh, you're just toxic, you're negative. No, I am right more times than not with this football club. I said he ain't good enough. I said get rid of him. Yeah, I said we should have took the money from Aston Villa a couple of years back. You're negative. He's one of our own. He's come through the academy. Anyone who said that to me, leave your apologies down below. Yeah, anyone who's a real one, we already know what time it is, isn't it? Yeah, because we don't speak with just this BS emotion. Yeah, we actually speak facts. We've seen it all before. Same with Zinchenko. We were calling Zinchenko out on here day in, day out, day in, day out. Fast forward 2 years. Now it's fashionable because a couple of top gooners have said maybe we should get rid of him. That spreads like wildfire. And all of a sudden, don't really think we should have Zinchenko here anymore. Now we've got Calafiori. Oh, the Maldini regen. Round and round and round we go. We'll waste another couple of years with the Maldini regen. That'll probably end up flopping. Hopefully he's all right. Who fucking knows? Nobody watches Bologna. But anyway, wears a nice little hairband and he's sexy. He's sexy, lads. Yeah, he's sexy. He's got aura. He's got aura. These men are so feminine. This is crazy. Yeah, Ben White pictures doing the rounds of him lifting 60 kg on a barbell curl. Who gives a shit? Like, real talk. Footballer lifts weights. Well done. Well done. Well done. Like, honestly, it's embarrassing. Last year, it was Timber. Oh, but we got Timber. Oh, we're going to dominate. We're going to take over the league. Okay, mate. I think they've all forgotten Timber plays for the club now because they're all doing their back fours and putting Calafiori in. I swear these people have got the mental age of a 5-year-old. If you give a 5-year-old a new toy, they forget about all their other toys. Here's a new toy. Making friends already, Tommy. If you play nicely with this toy, you can have a fruit shoot and some carrot slices. And if you're really lucky, you can have some slices of apple. Get out of it, man. This club is a disgrace. Absolute disgrace. Yeah, fair play to Smith Rowe. Go and smash it somewhere else, mate, because you ain't good enough for Arsenal. Yeah, we all thought you might be good enough at one point. Yeah, lockdown Smith Rowe was quality. Got injured, never been the same again. Yeah, never been the same again. See ya. Bye-bye. Stop getting emotionally attached to these players. They don't know who you are, number one. Yeah, and number two, they all end up leaving at some point. So why are you getting emotionally invested in these players? Why are you all pretending to be Smith Rowe on the internet with your little Smith Rowe pictures? You zesty weirdos. Like, honestly, it's jarring. Yeah, because these are the exact idiots that Stan and Josh Kroenke lap up. Because these men are go and buy the shirts with Smith Rowe's name on the back. They'll go and buy every Arsenal kit. They'll sit there and do all the propaganda for Smith Rowe, for all these other players, Saka, Smith Rowe, yeah, Calafiori, Saliba, all these other players. They're all leaving at some point. Stop doing this. How about demand the team gets better? Where are all the world-class players that the Champions League football can get us? Because we've been in the Champions League twice now, and I've still not seen a world-class player at this football club come through the door. Where are they? We're now linked to Fabian Ruiz. Of course we are, mate. Yeah, okay. Duncan Castles. Yeah, all right, mate. Duncan Castles linking us to Fabian Ruiz. Fabian Ruiz. Okay, mate. Good one. Fabian Ruiz. Yeah, that's 167 players we've been linked to this summer. 167. These men are storytellers and content creators. They have no clue what they're waffling about. Like, real talk. I know. Fabian Ruiz, yeah, he only played about 9 games for PSG last season. He smashed it in the Euros. Arsenal needed the number 8. We'll put him in. We'll put him in. We'll write an article or we'll sit on a podcast. Oh, yes. Yeah, sources close to the player. The word in the industry, get out of it, man. The word in the industry is you lot are frauds. That's what it is, mate. Yeah, that's what it is. You're all frauds. But anyway, good luck to Smith Rowe if it happens. Go and ball that somewhere else. You're finally getting away from this Arteta ball. And unfortunately, mate, you ain't good enough for Arsenal. Nothing personal. Yeah, but it is what it is, isn't it? It is what it is. Not good enough for Arsenal. I want to win titles. He ain't good enough. He should never have had his number in the first place. But again, that was part of... But it's a youth project. Yeah, listen to this crap as well from Super Duper Mick. Listen to this. Because this is the BS you have to dissect, guys. You have to dissect this rubbish. Where are we? Here we go. Here we go. Smash these likes up. Right, here we go. Arteta on Arsenal's squad. Perfection in this league requires different standards to relate the word to winning the Premier League. We know there are certain positions that we want to improve and to give better squad resources, especially in terms of the numbers. We are very short. We are so close. There are moments where it's a really fine margin. What do you mean we are really short in terms of numbers? You signed them all, mate. You signed them all. Smith Rowe, new deal. Vieira, your player. Ramsdale, your player. Reece Nelson, new deal. Eddie Nketiah, new deal. Tomiyasu, new deal. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? These are all his players. Jesus, his players. Zinchenko, his player. All his players. All these bench players that ain't good enough. All his players. But we're very short in terms of numbers. Why did you give them 100 grand a week each? We have got 17 players at this football club on 100 grand or more a week. 17. That's staggering. No wonder they don't want to go. No wonder we can't sell them. No wonder we're loaning them out. Jesus Christ. No wonder we can get rid of Smith Rowe because he's one of the lowest earners at this football club. He's on about 30 grand a week. Meanwhile, he's watching Eddie Nketiah run around like a crackhead, yeah, down King's Cross fucking high road. Yeah, chasing a fucking can, an empty can of beer down the high road. Yeah, watching him run around on a football pitch last night, missing sitters. Yeah, 100 grand a week. But he's getting 30. No wonder we can get a deal done for that one, isn't it? No wonder we can actually sell him. Why? Because he's on 30 grand a week. Yeah, all these other players, it's a loan with an option, a loan with an obligation. Why? Because they're all on top dollar. Why? Because Super Duper Mick put them there. Super Duper Edu put them there. This club's an absolute shit show. I can't lie. Yeah, we're in for a long season, people. So buckle up, clunk, click, smash the likes up, and I'll be back later on the second channel. Depending on what time I get home, I might do a live on here as well. Depends what time I get home. But I'm going to go for some street food, guys. I'm going to get some sushi, some taco. I'm going to chill, bruv. I'm going to go and enjoy the sun. Bless up to all of you lot. Leave your comments down below. Are you one of these zesty mutants? Do you fancy Benjamin White doing the barbell curls? Do you fancy Smith Rowe? Get out of it, man. Anyway, leave your comments down below. Smash the like button. Sub if you haven't. And make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. Now, I'm going to definitely have a video out on there later. Probably about Man City, actually, because they ain't really done much, have they? So yeah, I'll have a little waffle about Man City later. We can smirk for rivals. Okay, mate. But don't worry, guys. Don't forget, Nico Williams to Arsenal, 50 million deal is on. Oh, my God. Nico Williams to Arsenal is on. 50 mil. Get out of it, man. He's going Barca. Yeah, when he does, I'm wrecking everyone. Bosh. Pause. Laters. Ciao. Everyone out.